Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. This is Shreyans Jain with my stock market analysis for 9th of June and what can we expect going forward. So today we saw a profit booking or correction in market and you must be wondering what next. Is it a start of, is it the beginning of new sell-off or is it just a correction or maybe a breather after a substantial run-off shown by market? So today's fall in market is more of a breather correction after a substantial runoff. Key level which need to be watched for is 9800. Still there are no signs of starting a major sell-off. We recommend you to start booking the profits and yet shorts are not recommended. Let's understand the today's market action. So today Nifty closed with a loss of 120 point or approximately 1%, supported by mid cap which was down by 0.38% and supported by small cap which was down by 1.42%. Uh, this all fall was supported by all the sectoral indexes. Volume was 75 crore share, which is a reasonable, which is a almost the mean volume. Advanced decline ratio of 0.66. So although negative, but yes, we will not see a substantial. Technical indicators are also indicating negative. Dow Jones today is down by 0.85%, and VIX also up by 2 points. So these all factors are suggesting a negative movement or negative day for market. But again, key point to be noted is fall is supported by all the sectoral indexes except for FMCG and pharma, which are still holding on the market. This fall is more of a consolidation rather than a start of new sell off. We have not noticed any significant shorts created by FII, DIAs or pro traders, and hence no signs of beginning of a new phase of next phase of sell off. 9800 is a key level to be watched for downside. Talking about the sectoral indexes, so almost all of these sectoral indexes were closed in red except for FMCG, which almost closed unchanged with only a 23 point gain or 0.1%, and pharma, which again was up by 1.8%. Apart from this, all other sectoral indexes closed in negative. Even though they close in negative, but still I have mentioned the key levels what you need to watch for before initiating new positions. Talking about the smart money move, so even though today it was a negative day, but FIS today was still positive in cash by 490 crores. They also did a buying for 226 crores in index futures. Stock futures as well, they bought for 972 crores, and stock options were positive by 20 crores. But the FIIs were net sellers by 733 crores. So if you talk about the month of June, so they are still, FIIs is still positive for 15,231 crores, and index futures they are still they are negative by only by 800 crore, which is not substantial. Stock futures also they are FII is still positive by 3,200 crore. Talking about the client-wise derivative position, so as of now we see uh, the DIIs and FIIs are overall positive in index futures, and FIIs are positive in stock futures as well, and index calls as well. And DIIs are positive for index futures and index calls. So looking at the data and looking at the current position, we expect that today's correction was more of a consolidation or more of a breather space rather than next starting of the next selling period. So hopefully you will find all this information useful for your next action and next trades in market. Thanks for watching Safe Investing.